Okay, so going back to your article here, sorry, something happened. Um, so shortly after, LA Galaxy opened up the scoreboard with a goal from Emmanuel Boateng, right? That's basically what you were trying to say here. Los Galacticos scored the first goal. So instead of saying Los Galacticos scored the first goal, because you already obviously said that they opened up the scoreboard. So what we can say is how, right? So go from Boateng. On a shot from where is this thing? And sometimes I have like all these different pages, so that way I have access to. So this guy right here, Kai. On the shot inside the box from that was deflected into the goal. Did they actually give Boateng the goal? Yeah, they did. On the shot that was deflected. And even here, yeah, passive voice. And a shot that deflected into the goal of Boateng's leg. And then instead of saying they scored the first goal of the tournament, you can say we'll go back to that in a little bit. You can say the goal gave Los Galacticos some breathing room by leaving behind the dominance of Xolos. By leaving behind Xolos dominance. Alright, and here you have Xolos all over the place here. So Xolos. So here we can change this to Tijuana quickly responded and make their primary goal. Quickly responded and got not primary, got their first goal. And you don't even need to say it's assuming, you know, and got a goal. Or you can say score. Yeah, got, it's kind of weird, but we've been saying the word scored a lot. Score a goal. Or what we can say is we can say and got one back. At minute 32, there you go. So at minute 32, Ariel Nahuel Pan makes it inside the net. And you're trying to say puts it. Puts the ball into the back of the net. to tie things up. 1-1. Before we know it, Cholo makes a decent play. Why was it before you knew it? I think this is unnecessary. You should just blow that off. The second goal arrives in. Okay, so here what you can say is you can start off with this when, like when it's happening. So you can start off your sentence by saying, in the 44th minute, Cholos created a decent play that sets up the second goal. And again, careful with goal. And delete all this stuff because you already said. And again, you don't need the number. Second goal sets up their second goal of the game. This time by Washington Camacho. Alright? So now you can put that, let me see, where are they? 2-1. Rachel. To give los Cholos, or no. Give the 2-1 lead heading into the lockers. Instead of la, you can say the. The Galaxy comes back in the second half. Oh, we already have it there, so never mind. The Galaxy comes back ready to give Los de Tijuana a dominant second half, a fight in the second half. While both teams attacked, I'm not sure what you're trying to say here. So maybe you might say with both teams attacking, and again you don't need the number. Heads. Both teams maybe creating opportunities. One thing opportunities they run is able to capital one of those. Capitalized one of those by heading with a header that sends the ball, sends the ball into the net, given the Galaxy the equalizer at the 53rd minute. Was the game really starting to begin intense there? Maybe what you can say here is the game got more intense and both teams became frustrated trying to avoid extra time. Due to the frustration, a red card is given to is shown a minute 93. Okay, so this is passive. So we can do this. Due to the frustration, right? And you can put Galaxy player Julian Araujo gets a red card at minute 93. Receives. Just space that thing out a little bit here. Xolos and Galaxy both failed to obtain a goal. And with full time completed, a penalty shootout. Penalty again, shootout ensues. To get a match of their home presence, Los Galácticos manage to surpass Xolos de Tijuana. I mean, it's not an aggregate. Aggregate's only when there's 2 games. When 3-1. And win the shootout. Xolos is disqualified from the tournament. A very powerful, or a mighty, in this case, Cruz in the next round. Xolos gets disqualified from the tournament and must face a mighty Cruz Azul in the next round of the League's Cup.